A couple of days ago, I showed you how to make your Suno songs with your own voice using Controlla Voice AI, and a lot of you guys loved it. But just recently, this voice cloning giant released an AI song generator of their own. So now you don't even need to go to Suno. You can generate your bass song right here on Controlla itself and swap the vocals with your own voice. So today, I'm going to create a full AI song from scratch on Controlla, put my voice on it, and then we are going to explore splitting the stems and turning my voice into a musical instrument. This is basically an entire AI music studio in your browser. Let's get into it. First things first, we need a bass song. You'll see a new tab right at the top called Song Gen. And here we are on the new features interface. You have a big box here to paste your lyrics, and to determine the music style, you can either describe the style with text or use an audio reference. For this track, I want to create something soulful. Let's go for a late-night lo-fi R&B vibe. Now look at the lyrics box. You could paste in some lyrics here if you already have, but we don't see a direct button to generate lyrics with just an idea. But there is a workaround for this. Instead of lyrics here, I'm gonna type a song about driving through the city at 2 a.m., passing neon lights, feeling lonely but peaceful. Now I'm gonna hit this purple button, improve lyrics. It takes a second, and boom. It instantly structures the full song lyrics for me. We have verse, chorus, and also a bridge section bracketed as tags. It even counts the syllables for each line, which you can see here on the right side. Next, the music style. You can upload an audio reference if you have a specific beat in mind, but I'm going to use describe with text. I will type for a lo-fi R&B song here. And then we hit create now. It takes a moment, and here we are.
The asphalt hums beneath my tires. Street lamps flicker like lost stars. A tapestry of glowing signs and silent dreams. The cool air wraps around me, each breath a reminder of a midnight hush, where the world feels both distant and close.
Okay, that is actually really clean. The chord progression is nice, and the smooth R&B lo-fi vibe is there with the bass sitting right in the pocket. I'm gonna download this. But the singer isn't me, it's AI. And that brings us to the most important part of Controlla. And this is what makes it different from other AI music generators. We have our R&B track, but to make it truly mine, I need to inject my own vocal identity. So, let's head to the Swap Voice tab. We have two models here, Studio Model for better quality, and the Experimental Instant Clone feature. If you watched my previous deep dive, you already know that Instant Clone lets you record at least 15 seconds and makes the cloning with that sample. It's faster and more suitable for quick testing with a sacrifice in quality. So for this demo, I'm selecting Studio Model, aiming for best quality. Here I'm going to upload the song that we just generated on Controlla. Now we have our input song. Now we need to swap its vocals with our voice. If you haven't already created a voice model yet, just click on the Select a Voice button and go to the Create Voice tab. They need at least 10 minutes of your audio sample here. You can upload a pre-recorded audio file or hit the record button right here and record yourself. Don't worry, you don't need to be a good singer here. You can just read something aloud or hum a melody. It takes some time for the process of training the AI to clone your voice. As I mentioned before, I have already done this, so my model is ready to go. So I'm going to go back, select my trained voice model. Since this is a full song with drums and bass, make sure the input type is set to full song with music. This tells the AI to surgically remove the old singer and thread my voice into the mix without destroying the beat. However, uploading full songs will always have lower quality outcomes than raw vocal recordings because only the lead vocal is being extracted to swap to your voice. And with full songs, this works best on songs with a single lead vocal and not a lot of ad-libs or vocal layers. I'm going to hit swap voices. It usually takes a minute or two to render. Okay, it's done. Let's listen to the transformation.
The asphalt holes beneath notorious street dance flipper like those dogs a tapestry of gold and sounds and soiling dreams. The cooler wraps around me, each breath a reminder of a midnight hush, where the world feels both distant. Ain't it close? City friend, postman leave the world this sky. I'm alone, but the nights are soft embrace. We on the coast, December with you glow. Lonely roads lead to a quiet place.
Yeah, that's me. It has captured my tone and blended in the soulfulness of the original song. But it has kept the original melody, mood, and the beat perfectly. There are minor distortions here and there, but still this is quite impressive. I'm going to download this one as well. Okay, now we have my song with my voice. But we are not done yet. Let's say I love the vocals now, but I want to change the mix. Maybe the drums are too loud, or I want to cut the bass for an intro. That's where the split stems feature comes in. This is a producer's dream. I'm going to drag my newly created track, the one with my voice on it, into the box. And then I'm going to click on Select Stems. Look at these options. Most free tools just give you vocals and backing, but that's not enough for real production. Just like Suno AI, Controlla lets us break it down into multiple stems, including drums, bass, piano, guitar, kick, snare, cymbals. This gives you granular control. I'm just going to select all and proceed to split stems. Okay, it's done. Click on this input-output drop-down, and here are the splitted stems from our songs. Let's listen to the drums and percussion stem from the song we just generated. Clean, loud, and clear. There is no vocal bleed. Now here is the lead vocal we just swapped.
The asphalt holes beneath notorious street dance flipper like those dogs a tapestry of gold and sounds and soiling dreams.
It's my voice, now isolated. It is very clear, not disturbed by the background instruments. The stems from our songs are split perfectly, so you aren't stuck with the AI's mix balance. This means you can take these files into a program like GarageBand or FL Studio and actually mix the song properly. Now for the final feature, this is something creative you can do with the stem splitter that most people don't think of. I'm going to download the lead vocal stem that we just listened to and head over to the swap voice again. Here I'm going to upload that isolated lead vocal stem as the input audio and hit the Select a Voice or Instrument button. But this time, I'm clicking on the Instruments tab. You'll see options like tenor sax, violin, trumpet, and electric guitar. I'm going to choose tenor sax. With that, I'm effectively telling the AI to take the pitch and expression of my singing and reimagine it as if a saxophone player was playing it. And on this occasion, I'm going to keep this as vocals only and hit swap. It's done. For comparison, here's my lead vocal stem.
The asphalt holes beneath our tires, street and flipper like those dogs, a tapestry of gold and sounds and silent dreams.
Okay, now this is the sax version. That is wild. It keeps the vibrato of my vocal, but it turns it into an instrument. You can use this to create solos, counter melodies, or textures that you couldn't possibly play yourself. Now I know you're curious. At the end of the day, who owns the generated vocals in Controlla? Well, you own all outputs of vocals you generate with Controlla Voice's tools, as long as you own the inputs you upload to create them. And yes, you can use them commercially as well, and that means having the Controlla subscription. Since we generated the song inside Controlla and used our own voice, we own both inputs, so the final song is ours. Okay, so let's look back at what we just did. We started with nothing but a text prompt. We generated a song using the new Song Gen feature. We swapped in our own voice. We split the stems so we could mix it, and we even used our voice to generate an instrumental solo. And we did it all without leaving the dashboard. I've dropped the link to Controlla Voice below. Don't just stop at voice cloning. Go test out the new song generator, try the stem splitter, and see what you can build. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into AI music, and I'll catch you in the next one.